students. Now after discussing about the three laws of Mendel and monohybrid and dihybrid cross and ratios, we'll discuss something about the deviation from Mendel's laws. In nature we can see that so many examples which are not following Mendel's law, and in your syllabus there are two types of this. First one is the incomplete dominance and other is codominance, that we'll discuss one by one. So first one is incomplete dominance. That means as the word is given, incomplete. In here the allele which is the dominant allele which is not completely dominant, and that we can see through this example, that is snapdragon flower or Antirrhinum species. Here the flowers, there are three types of flowers we can see in nature: red flower, white flower and pink flower. Here the red flower plant is dominant over white colored flower. Now we can take capital R for the red plant and small r for the white, which is recessive, and this capital R is dominant, which is red in color. These are the gametes, capital R, small r. Now in F1 generation, again the genotype will be in the this offspring is capital R, small r. According to Mendel's law, this should be red in color, but here it is not red in color, it is pink in color. That means the R, capital R is not totally dominant over this recessive allele, and that's why it appears pink. Now when it was allowed for selfing here, then again two types of gamete were produced, capital R and small r, and through checkerboard again we have discussed that earlier that it will show that three types of plants. One capital R, that is red in color, then one small r, that is white in color, but the two plants which are heterozygous, that is capital R, small r, which is pink in color. That means here the phenotype as well as genotype ratio both are 1:2:1. But in earlier we have seen that in law of dominance the phenotypic ratio was 3:1, but here the ratio is 1:2:1. In this way we can see that this is showing incomplete dominance and it is not obeying Mendel's first law.
Pause.
The second type of deviation from Mendel's law is codominance. That means for dominance, two alleles are required, two genes are required for the same character. That means when the two types of alleles came together, they will give rise to different type of character. Now we will discuss through the example ABO blood group in human being. Here we are knowing that the I gene, which is responsible for the blood group, appearance of different types of blood group in human, is controlled by the gene capital I. This gene has more than two alleles. When the gene has more than two alleles, then it is known as multiple allelism, and here we can also see that the gene I has three types of alleles: IA, IB and small I. All these three alleles are required for appearance or for making different types of, giving rise to different types of blood group in human. That's why this case is also known as multiple allelism. Now where IA and IB are the dominant allele and this small I is recessive in nature. Now you can see here that when there are these six type of possibilities, if possibility is IAA, that means both the alleles are of same time, that is homozygous condition. In such case the blood group of the human will be A blood group. If capital IA and small I, then the person will be blood group A. That means because this small I is recessive in presence of capital IA. Now third case IB, then the blood group will be B. If IB small I, then again blood group is B. If small I, then O. That means it is giving rise to different type of other type of blood group. Now capital I, at IA and IB, we can see here both are dominant in nature and they have different effect in presence of the recessive allele. But when both of them come come together, then they will give rise to third type of blood group, that is AB blood group, and that means both are responsible, partially responsible for giving rise to third type of blood group, that is AB blood group. They are not completely dominant. They both are required for giving rise to this type of blood group, that is AB.
Here in this figure we can see the example of incomplete dominance. That means there are so many examples in nature which is not following Mendel's law, and one of the example is independent dominance. That means this occurs in the flower of Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant, where two types of flowers present, red and white. Red is the dominating flower, dominating character, and white is the recessive character. But in the after the F1 generation, whatever the ratio of the offspring, all were pink in color, neither red nor white. And when these two plants, pink flowers, are allowed for the selfing, that is they are behaving as the parent, cross, they are allowed for the cross, then the result was one red flower, one white flower like the parents, and two pink flower. That means the ratio of the genotype was 1:2:1, as well as the phenotype also 1:2:1. So this is not obeying the Mendel's law, and this is the example of incomplete dominance. Here dominance is not complete, here incomplete dominance is. In this figure we can see that this is the example of co-dominance. Here the blood group, ABO blood group in human being is controlled by the gene. That gene have three alleles, IA, IB and small I. So because three alleles are present in place of two alleles, that's why this is the example of multiple allelism also. Now two alleles are required for giving rise to the genotype or the blood group of the humans. Now when here IA and IB are the dominating one, and small I is recessive allele. So these six types of these are the different combinations. First, when IA is there, then the blood group will be A. If IA with small I, then again blood group is A. If with IB small I, then the blood group is B. IB, then also blood group is B, because small I is recessive. Now, but when two types of alleles, that is both the dominating allele, that is IA and IB, both come together, then the combination, the new type of blood group arise, that is AB. So here we can see these two alleles are responsible for the giving rise to the new type of blood group, that is AB, and this is the example of co-dominance. And when both the alleles, the recessive alleles, come together, then the blood group is O. In this way, human having four types of blood groups, and this is the example of co-dominance and also multiple allelism. This figure explaining about the back cross. Now what is back cross? When one parent is taken from the F1 generation and one parent from the previous parent, which are responsible for giving rise to the F1 generation. So two parents were to both the tall and to both the recessive allele, both the dominant allele and both the recessive allele. So the back cross, that means the one parent is taken from the back and one parent from the F1 generation. The result is that when the parent having both the dominant allele, then all the offsprings were dominant in character, tall in character. That means 50% are pure tall and 50% are there having the recessive allele, but in presence of capital T they could not express themselves. In this way all are tall. So back cross is of two type, when it may be the parent having the all the dominant character, or the parent may be the recessive character. So two types of back cross are. test cross is a type of back cross, because here the one of the F1 generation plant is the parent and other parent is the recessive one. The back we are taking from the back, but the recessive parent, and that's why one this we can see capital T and a small t is from the this is the from the F1 generation, and this small t from the back parent, and it is a type of back cross, but it is known as test cross because it is helping to know the ratio, that is the genotypic ratio genotype of the parent, and here the result will be 50-50, 50% tall and 50% short. Here we can see the same example is given in the pictorial form, that is test.
This type of blood group, that is AB, and that's why it is known as codominance. This is the example of codominance, and this is also the example of multiple allelism, because in presence in a place of two alleles, this gene I, which is controlling the blood group, having more than two, that is three types of alleles, that is IA, IB and small I. At the same time, this different opposite of this multiple allelism is pleiotropy. In pleiotropy, the single gene is responsible for more than one character. Here we can see more than one allele is responsible for the character of the blood groups, but here single gene is responsible for giving rise to more than two characters. For example, in plant, the starch synthesis and the grain size of the seed, or the grain size of the seed size, is controlled by the same gene. So this is the example of pleiotropy.